Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. ManageEngine Password Manager Pro is a robust solution designed to securely store, manage, and share privileged access credentials within an organization. It provides a centralized platform for controlling access to sensitive accounts, applications, and other privileged resources, helping IT teams enforce strong password policies and reduce security risks. This comprehensive tool offers features like automated password rotation, access control workflows, and detailed audit trails to ensure compliance and streamline privileged access management. Password Manager Pro helps organizations meet various compliance requirements, such as SOX, HIPAA, and PCI DSS, by enforcing strong password policies, implementing access controls, and providing comprehensive audit logs. It empowers IT administrators to gain visibility and control over privileged accounts, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. The platform's intuitive interface allows for easy management of privileged credentials, simplifying password resets, approvals, and other related tasks. Beyond password management, Password Manager Pro can also manage SSH keys and SSL certificates, offering a consolidated solution for managing privileged access across various systems and applications. Furthermore, the software offers remote access control capabilities, allowing authorized personnel to securely access critical systems from anywhere without needing to directly handle privileged credentials. This enhances security by eliminating the need for shared passwords and minimizing the risk of compromise. Real-time alerts and notifications keep administrators informed about suspicious activities, potential security breaches, and policy violations. With custom reporting options, businesses can generate reports on password usage, access patterns, and compliance status, providing valuable insights into their security posture. The scalable architecture of Password Manager Pro allows it to adapt to growing organizational needs, ensuring that it can effectively manage privileged accounts even in large and complex environments. By centralizing password management, organizations can improve their overall security posture, simplify IT operations, and demonstrate compliance with industry regulations.